One small step for me, one giant leap for my dad. Now how do you like that?
It's so lovely out here.
You can wander around with Minnie and I'll check the spaceship.
Come on, guys. Let me show you around the place.
Look at all of these colors, Mutlu. They're so perfect, aren't they?
But no one is here, sis. Where are the huge spaceships, the towers with lights? I mean, what I'm saying is, look around. There isn't even a single space station to be found.
We are explorers, Mutlu. Our ancestors got really bored of the same old colors around the place. They decided to seek out and find more colorful worlds in outer space. We also wander around the galaxies. We go everywhere discovering the universe.
The spaceship is out of tune. That's the reason why it makes all those silly noises.
Oh, wow, these clouds are amazing.
Around here, we call them cloud trees.
Did you say cloud trees?
I did. Clouds grow on trees in this place. Their leaves are like what you call cotton. Look, these are candy trees, and their fruits are so sweet.
Did you say candy trees?
But your color will change, of course, if you eat its fruit. Hey, look, the cloud tree's shedding its leaves.
It's like magic.
It's wonderful.
Mommy, where are you?
I can see you thanks to Minnie.
The cloud trees are perfect, aren't they, Mommy?
Absolutely. By the way, where's Mutlu?
He was looking around.
But he didn't wander far away from you, right? You tell him never to leave you.
Sure thing, Mom.